Number one, investing in the stock market is only for the rich. Para sa mga mayayaman lang ang stock market. Ganon. I have that mindset too before.
Hello everybody! Welcome to our first episode for today's video. Our topic is all about how to invest in the Philippines stock market. So without further delay, let's go!
Let's start this video with a question you would ask. If maganda ang stock market, then bakit hindi lahat ng tao nag-i-invest dito? The answer is, it depends. May mga tao talaga na hindi nila gusto mag-invest. Okay, that's number one. May mga tao na ayaw mag-invest sa stock market, maybe because they are investing in other assets. Hindi lang naman stock market yung pwede nating kung saan pwede tayo ma-invest. We have real estate, we have fix and flip, yung bumibili ng bahay, re-renovate nila, tapos binibenta. And then, yung iba naman nasa business, pursuing their passion, and then they sell their passion. And number two, kasi natatakot sila. Dahil ang daming mga investment scam. Like we have pyramid schemes, Ponzi schemes, 2018, 2019, ang dami-daming, sobrang daming scammers na naglipa na. Example, yung times 2, times 3, times 4. O dahil doon, and patuloy pa rin. Meron pa rin until ngayon. So, depende na lang sa tao. That's also a number 2 reason for me kung bakit hindi nag-i-invest yung tao kasi natatakot na sila na baka yung pag-i-investan nila is scam na. Or, yung pera nila hindi na maibabalik. Number 3 is, ito ha. This is the reason why I am making this video. Kasi, number 3, may mga tao na gustong-gusto nilang mag-invest sa stock market, but they don't know how. What's the number 1 step na kailangan nilang gawin? Ano bang dapat nilang i-open para makapag-invest sila sa stock market and maka-trade sila? They know that stock market is good. They also know the risk of stock market. Pero, hindi lang nila alam kung ano yung mga steps para sila maka-invest sa stock market. Actually, ako, alam kong maganda yung stock market. Alam ko din yung risk and return ng stock market. And before, dito ako na-fall sa number 3. Okay, so gusto kong mag-invest sa stock market. It's just that, hindi ko alam kung paano. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. And ngayon, after doing some research, and then now that I am starting my journey in the stock market, that's the reason why I am making this video para naman matulungan ko yung mga tao na, like me before, hindi ko alam kung paano siya gawin.
I just want to say that money, an instrument, na gagamitan lang ng mga tao, but it doesn't really buy us happiness. Well, true enough. Yeah, I do agree that money doesn't really buy us happiness.
Just an instrument. Papel lang po siya. It's just a paper. It's just a special
Type of paper, pero still,
it's paper, okay? But dahil gamit siya, dahil medium siya, instrument siya, then we can use it. We all have different definitions of success and happiness, okay? But I just want to tell you that if we want to achieve like financial freedom, if we want to retire early, hindi yung 60 years old na tayo, tapos nagtatrabaho pa rin tayo. No, kasi we've been working for, I don't know kung what age ka nag-start magtrabaho, and then until nag-retire ka na 65 or 50 or 55. Our goal here is for us to retire early. So, I am doing this, like I am building my wealth because gusto ko may maibigay ako sa family ko. Gusto ko na kapag nagka-family ako, I am financially stable. Gusto ko na may sarili akong pera, may sariling pera yung magiging husband ko, at saka meron kaming common fund para sa mga household expenses namin sa bahay. Especially, if gusto nyo magka-baby, diba? Kailangan nyo na namang magpaaral, kailangan nyo buhayin yung anak nyo. So, that's the reason why we have money, because it's a medium, it's an instrument. But, wag lang po natin siyang gamitin in an evil way. Is not the root of all evil. Okay, for me, it is not. It is with the intention of the person holding it that makes it evil. Money is once again a medium, an instrument. I have gathered some of the common myths about investing in the stock market, and these are one of the reasons that are keeping us, you, me, from building our financial wealth, our future wealth. I included the URL of the websites where I got this myth from. So, yung mga URL po, andun lang po sa ibaba para if gusto nyong basahin, then you can do that. For number 1, investing in the stock market is only for the rich. Para sa mga mayayaman lang ang stock market. Ganon. I have that mindset too before. Well, technically, the rich can easily invest in stock market because they have capital. Ito kasi yung na-realize ko eh. Bakit nung ginawa ba ng Panginoon ang tao? Meron bang mayaman agad? Meron bang mahirap agad? Di ba wala? Wala naman. And it is clearly stated in the Bible that those people who prosper, kasi sumikap sila. I want to share the story of Henry C. Sr. Yes, tama po. He pioneered the establishments of SM stores. Now, he earned the title as the Philippines Retail King and the chairman of the SM Prime Holdings. In 2011, Forbes magazine listed him as the number 1 billionaire here in the Philippines. At saan po siya nagsimula? Sa pagbebenta po ng sapatos. That's why SM, it's because shoe mart. Okay, another example is Jollibee Foods Corporation. The founder, Tony Tan Caktiong, saan po nagsimula ang JFC? Sa pagbebenta po ng ice cream sa kalye ng Maynila. I wasn't really sure. I think it was in Quezon City, Manila. Doon po sila nagbebenta ng ice cream. And then look at Jollibee now. They are one of the biggest fast food chain, not just in the Philippines, but in Asia and the world. So, what am I trying to say is that hindi mo kailangan magsimula sa malaki agad. Okay? Just use this formula. Income minus expenses equals savings. Just get, kahit hindi po yung whole savings mo, just a portion of your savings, kunan mo po ng like just a little portion and then ilagay mo po sa stock market. You can start investing in the stock market as low as 1,000 pesos. Diyan po ako nagsimula. Hindi naman po ako mayaman, but I am telling you this kasi diyan ako nagsimula sa 1,000. Hindi ako nagsimula sa malaki dahil mahirap lang din ako. Okay, so number 2, myth about investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market requires large capital. Wrong. Again, hindi mo po kailangan ng large sums of amount or malaking pera para magsimula sa investing. Pwede ka po magsimula, again, for as low as 1,000 pesos. I'll explain that later. And also, pwede ka din po every month. For January, maglalagay ka po ng 5,000. Kung ano lang po yung kaya mong mawala din. Okay? Yung kaya lang, this is risk as well. Kasi risky din yung stock market. Pero, it's so ironic because maraming kasing tao nag-i-invest dun sa times 3, times 2, times 4 yung sinasabi. Mas gusto kasi nila ng madalian. Pero meron naman tayong legit. If we can invest dun sa mga like riskier investments, yung mga pyramid schemes, then why not hindi po tayo mag-invest dun sa authentic, dun po sa registered stock market? We will be transacting with the Philippine Stock Exchange. And as well as, kapag gagawin po natin yan, we are helping the Philippines economy. And 1,000 sa January, 1,000 sa February, minimum kasi ng 1,000. Maglalagay ka ng 1,000 every month. That's a total of 12,000 in a year. Imagine, kung yung 12,000 mo, ilalagay mo po sa bangko. Hindi po yan lalagay. Okay, that's the truth. That's the bitter truth. Kasi sa bangko, hindi po aabot ng 5% yung interest annually. Usually po, nasa 3% lang. Malaki na nga yan. Just example, yung 15,000 mo, yung tubo po niyan in 1 year is only 45 pesos. Depende pa yan. Depende pa. Hindi talaga 45 pesos. Diba? At saka, kung ilalagay mo din sa bangko, inflation will beat you. Yung 1,000 dati, yung purchasing power ng 1,000 before, hindi na po kagaya ngayon. Hindi na talaga kagaya ngayon. Kung pupunta ka sa grocery store, yung 1,000 mo, marami kang mabibili. Ngayon po, yung 1,000 mo, up to 4 items na lang. Or 5 items. Or 6 items. Hindi na po dalawang supot. 4 na items na lang. Ganun po ang inflation. Yung face value ng 1,000 still 1,000, but the purchasing power of 1,000, bumababa na po siya. Why? Because of inflation. Kapag ilalagay mo lang yung pera mo sa alkansya, inflation will beat your money. Kapag ilalagay mo lang yung pera mo sa bangko, inflation will beat your money. Pero kapag ilalagay mo yung pera mo sa stock market, i-invest mo yan kahit saan, basta investing, make sure it's legit. Then you will be beating inflation, and that's good. That's very good. Okay. Alam ko malayo pa yung December, but diba, we will be receiving 13th month, yung iba nga 14th month this December. So just try to, kahit yung iniisip kasi natin agad-agad, bibili ka ng bagong sapatos, bagong cellphone, bagong bag. Kung sira na yung sapatos mo, then go buy. Kung sira na yung cellphone mo, then go buy because that's essential. You need that. Pero kung that's already a want, like marami ka pang sapatos and you want to buy a new shoes, you might consider investing your money in the stock market than showing off to your friends. Kasi at the end of the day, wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Invest in something or buy something that would give you a future economic benefit, not a liability. Robert Kiyosaki said, okay, you prosper when you buy assets, not a liability. Kailan po magiging liability yung pagbili ng cellphone? Kung bibili ka ng cellphone kasi wala kang cellphone, sira na yung cellphone mo, then that's an asset kasi gagamitin mo yan sa trabaho, sa negosyo. That's an asset because it will give you a future economic benefit. But if bibili ka lang ng cellphone because may bagong iPhone 17 and you wanna show off to your friends kasi mayaman, gusto mo ipakita na mayaman ka, kahit walang problema kung mayaman ka talaga. But if hindi naman talaga, then that's a liability. Okay? Please don't invest in something that will be depreciated in the future or be impaired. Invest in something, buy something that will give you a future economic benefit, that will help you in the future, that will help your family in the future. And isa po dyan is yung pag-invest sa stock market. Dami ha. Okay, number 3. Investing is in the stock market is like gambling. Well, mangyayari kasi, it involves risking your capital. Sabi ko nga, invest in the stock market, the amount of money na afford mong mawala. Kasi, yung economy natin, for example, before the pandemic, ang tataas. Example, mataas po yung market value per share ng Jollibee Foods Corporation before pandemic. Tapos, nagka-pandemic, alam natin kung anong nangyari during pandemic. Lahat po nag-stop. Pero now, we are recovering. So, during the pandemic, it was all red. Bumababa po yung price ng mga shares kapag meron pong mga nangyayari. Addicted na, at saka yung mga happenings na unpredictable. Yun. Marami pong there are a lot of reasons kung bakit bumababa po yung value ng stock market. Pero, after the pandemic, prices of the company shares are going up. Bumabawi na sila. And also, the good thing about pandemic taught us innovations. Especially sa mga kumpanya. Nasa trabaho, meron na tayo tinatawag ngayon na hybrid. You can work from office or you can also work from home. Then additional to our myth that investing in the stock market is more like a gambling. Because on the surface, it is really like a gambling. Let me check if I have recorded this. Okay. It is more like a gambling because both the investing in the stock market and gambling both involve a risking of capital without knowing for certain if you get a return. So that's gambling. But perhaps the biggest difference between investing in the stock market and gambling is that over the long run, investing in the stock market will be in the favor of the investor. Whereas, in gambling, time would be in the favor of the casino operator. Okay, let's give an example. Say, June 2022, nag-invest ka sa BDO. Bumili ka ng 10 shares ng BDO at 100 pesos. And then, that was June 2022. December 2022, from 100 pesos, naging 200 pesos na yung BDO shares. In 6 months, how much po yung increase or yung nag-gain ng investor? 100 pesos. 100 pesos times 10 shares. Magkano po yan? 1,000. Diba? 1,000. So, in a span of 6 months, nagkaroon ka na ng 1,000. And then, hindi lang yan. Hindi lang yan. Kasi, during December, yung mga company, nagde-declare sila ng mga dividends. Cash dividends or stock dividends. Like, kung yung may 10 shares ka sa BDO, tsaka, nag-declare sila ng 20%, sa 20, magbibigyan ka nila na, nag-declare sila ng 20% na stock dividend. So, yung 10 shares mo times 20, my gosh, calculator pa. Yung 10 shares mo times 20%, so they will be giving you 2 shares, okay, as a stock dividend. So, after December, January, from 10 shares, magkakaroon ka na ng 12 shares ng BDO. Okay? So that's the beauty of stock market. Okay? But in gambling, okay? Sa gambling po, sa tinagal-tagal na paglalaro mo dyan, yung mayaman po, yung casino operator, diba? Okay, let's say sa gambling, okay, diba, it composes of 2 or more persons na naglalaro. So let's say 10 kayong maglalaro, diba? So if we will be dividing the chances, you have equal chances of winning. Kung if the game composes of 10 persons, then lahat po ng yung 10 tao, they all have 10% chances of winning. Diba? That's the truth in gambling. Sa 10 na maglalaro, iisa lang po yung mananalo. And you have all equal chances of winning. 10%. Yan lang po yung percentage niyo. Equal. Kasi 10 kayo. Overall, yung yumayaman po sa gambling, hindi po yung naglalaro. Okay, let's just say, okay, kung magaling ka, then ikaw si James Bond, magaling ka sa gambling, then yumaman ka, then go ahead. Okay lang po yan. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-gambling. Mag-join ng mga gambling. I don't gamble money. I'm not really sure of that, but that's what I know. In gambling, in the long run, yung yumayaman po yung casino operator. Okay? Let's go to the definition of stock market. What is stock market? Ate, ano po ba yung stock market? It is a place where shares of public listed companies are traded. Ate, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Ganito po siya. Marami po tayong mga publicly listed na companies. Ano pong example niyan? Publicly listed companies. Example, we have SM. We have Jollibee Foods Corporation. We have GMA. We have Globe Telecom. We have PLDT. We have D2Tech. Those are just some of the examples of publicly listed companies. When we say publicly listed, hindi po sila private. Okay, hindi sila private, ibig sabihin po, yung shares po ng company nila is open to the public. Pwede po akong bumili, pwede ka pong bumili, pwede pong bumili yung nanay mo, yung tatay mo, tayong lahat. Pwede po tayong bumili ng shares sa kanila. And every share, it has an equivalent market value. So yung market value po, for example, yung sinabi ko kanina, na yung BDO, binebenta nila yung isang share for 100 pesos per share, then that's the market value. And yung market value po ng isang company, tumataas po siya. Depende po sa performance ng isang kumpanya. Bumababa din po siya, depende din po sa performance ng kumpanya. So that's, and it is being traded. Why? Because when you invest in the stock market, we have two types of investors. First one is the trader. You're an active trader. Like, every day, nag-trade ka po. Yan po sila yung sinasabi nila na hindi ako mag-i-invest sa stock market kasi kailangan kasi akong dapat parating nakatingin sa computer para makita ko yung pagtaas baba ng mga shares. Ganun, ng price. Yes, that's right. Opo, tama po yan. Pero po, that's applicable for active trader. When we say active trader, sila po talaga, yun po yung bibili ngayon, and then, after 1 hour, titingnan nila kung nabili nila ng 50 pesos yung share ng Ayala. I'm not really sure kung magkano na po yung share ng Ayala. So, kung nabili nila ng 50 pesos yung share ng Ayala at 10 a.m. tapos at 10:30 tumaas po yung shares ng Ayala at naging 60 pesos. So, meron siyang gain na 10 pesos. And then, depende po kung magkano po, ilan po yung shares na nabili niya. For example, 10,000 po yung nabili niya. At 10 a.m., bumili siya ng 10,000 shares ng Ayala at 50 pesos. At 10:30 a.m., tumaas po yung shares, market value, or price per share ng Ayala from 50 pesos naging 60 pesos. So, tumaas ng 10 pesos. 10 pesos times 10,000, that's the gain po. ng active trader. Okay? So, yan po ang ginagawa ng isang active trader. Short-term investors, yung mga active trader. We have a long-term trader, yung mga nag-i-invest talaga. Like for example, bumili ako last year ng shares from DMCI. Okay? And then, until now, I'm still holding it. And good thing, tumataas po po yung value ng DMCI, yung market value ng DMCI. So, that's it. Bumili ako kasi it's up to you. Kung tingin mo, gusto mo na siyang ibenta mo na. You have all the right to keep, hold, or buy, or sell. Okay? Your shares. Kasi sa'yo yan. It's like that's why, bumibili ka ng share, ang tawag na sa'yo, you are a shareholder. Shareholder or stockholder, that's the same. When we say you're a shareholder of PLDT, then you own PLDT by 10 shares, by 5 shares, or 100 shares, or 10,000 shares. That's the stock market. And saan po sila publicly listed? In the Philippines Stock Exchange. Ang pinakaunang paraan po para magkaroon tayo ng income sa stock market is bibili tayo at a lower price. Tapos, ibebenta natin at a higher price. Buy low, sell high. Saturday and Sunday, close po ang PSE. So, wala pong trading na mangyayari. So, hindi ka po makakabili ng stocks. At saka, holidays din. Makakabili ka lang ng stock Monday to Friday. Starting at 9 a.m. Tapos cut off po ng 12 a.m. Tapos, resume naman ng 1 p.m. And then, until 2:30. Let's say this Monday po is 27 February 27, 2023. Buy low, sell high. Okay, so for example, this is just a minute difference kasi yung shares po sa stock market tumataas at saka bumababa po sila in seconds, minutes, kasi madami pong nag-trade, mga active trader. So for 27, example 10 a.m. For 10 a.m. yung share ni BD, sige, let's say Jollibee Foods Corporation. Bangot naman ako. Okay, Jollibee Foods Corporation at 10 a.m. 150 po yung per share nila. And then at 10:01 a.m. naging 152 per share. So, meron kang 2 pesos naging. Multiply mo po yan kung magkano po yung shares na nabili mo. For example, meron ka po like, let's say, 100 shares times 2, meron kang 200 pesos. Diba? Diba? Meron bang bangko magbibigay niya sa'yo in 1 minute? Wala. Wala po. Meron bang galit yarn? Hindi po ako galit. Meron bang ibang tao magbibigay niya sa'yo? Siguro kung may utang sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo 200 pesos. But 200 pesos income in 1 minute, the bank would never give that to you. So that's the best example on how to earn income. And then let's say pagka 10:05 naging okay, 152 po, diba? So ito po yung gain mo. Let's give another example. Okay, at this is 10:01. Okay, at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. yung price po is naging 155 naman. So tumaas siya ng How much po yan? 155 from 152, tumaas siya ng 3 pesos. Times mo naman yan 100. So, you have a gain of 300 pesos. Gain. Diba? May bangko ba magbibigay sa'yo ng 300 pesos in 30 minutes? Wala po. So, that's just an example. This is an example if you are an active trader. Pero if you're a long-term trader, usually yung span po. So, like, it depends kung how many years mo i-hold. And second way po para maka-earn tayo ng income from stock market is through dividends. So, paano po ito? Ano po itong dividends? For example po, noong June 2022, meron po kayong 10,000 shares ni BDO. Okay? BDO po yan, shares. Pagkatapos, noong December 2022, nag-declare po si BDO ng 20% stock dividend. Okay? So, kung stock dividend po, ibig sabihin, bibigyan ka po ng additional shares ng kumpanya kung saan ka nag-invest. So, dito, si BDO, kay BDO tayo nag-invest. Si BDO magbibigay sila ng 20% additional shares po. Magkano po ba ang 20% ng 10,000? 2,000 po. So, bibigyan ka po nila ng 2,000 shares as your share sa stock dividend. So, from 10,000 BDO shares, magiging 12,000 na po yung BDO shares mo. O, diba ang galing? Tsaka, okay, that's, share po ito. Paano ko po makukulit kung magkano po yung gain ko, yung income ko? Madali lang po yan. During December 2022, kung magkano po ang market value per share or yung price per share ng BDO, let's say, yung price ng BDO is 180 pesos per share. So, ito po 2,000. Times lang po natin yan ng 180 pesos. So, magkano po yan? Is that 18 times 2, 36. So, itong 360,000, yan po ang gain na makukuha niyo sa stock dividends. Kung stock po yan, ha? Tsaka kung cash naman po, this is for stock dividend. Stock dividend. This is the number 1. Pero pag cash naman po, yung dividend, is cash dividend. From the word cash, automatic po, yung marireceive nyo sa kanila is cash. Okay? So, kung meron po kayong 10,000, tapos sabi ni BDO, okay, magbibigay kami ng cash dividend worth of 1 peso per share. Okay? So, multiply lang po natin yung 1 peso sa 10,000. Kasi 1 peso per share. Depende po yan. Sasabihin nila 0.50 per share. Hindi, multiply lang natin yung 0.50 sa 10,000. Kung sabihin nila 0.20, multiply lang natin sa 10,000. Kasi ito naman yung shares ko sa kanila. Kung sasabihin nila 2 pesos per share, o di itong 10,000 times 2 pesos, magkano po yan? That's 20,000. So, ito po ang cash dividend mo na ibibigay ni BDO sa'yo. Okay? So, for dividends, we have stock dividends and we have cash dividends.
Since we have been filming this video for over 30 minutes now, I have decided to split this video into 2 parts. Our topic, how to invest in Philippines stock market. On our part 2 video, there I will discuss how you will create your account so that you can start investing in the Philippine stock market and other concerns Thank you so much, guys, for watching our first episode, and I hope you will still support our incoming videos. Thank you so much for the love and support.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and bye! Game mo. This is the game. Dili, nakuha. Sa mukha ni Oy, ang envelope. Natagak. Ang envelope, natagak, nakuratan ko. Ay!
Hello, everybody, and welcome to our first episode